Cryptocurrency has transformed from a sci-fi concept into a powerful force that's reshaping how we think about money, ownership, and even the future of finance itself. What once seemed like a distant dream is now a part of everyday life for millions of people around the world. Today, you can use crypto to buy homes, cars, and even your morning coffee. It's no longer just for tech enthusiasts or early adopters. Cryptocurrency is becoming mainstream, woven into the fabric of our daily transactions and investments. But with this new wealth comes new risks. Crypto is still the Wild West, with few established protections. The digital landscape is filled with threats, from sophisticated hackers to sudden market crashes, and the rules are still being written. Unlike traditional assets, your digital fortune is visible and vulnerable, attracting hackers, scammers, and even legal threats. Anyone with an internet connection can become a target, and there's often little recourse if something goes wrong. If you wouldn't leave gold bars on your kitchen table, don't leave your crypto unprotected. Just as you'd secure your most valuable possessions, your digital assets deserve the same level of care and attention. Your digital assets are a treasure chest, and the bigger it gets, the bigger the target on your back. As your portfolio grows, so does the incentive for bad actors to try and take it from you. Asset protection isn't just for the ultra-rich anymore, it's essential for anyone holding crypto. Whether you have a few $100s or a fortune in digital coins, you need to take steps to safeguard your wealth. You've worked hard to build your portfolio. Don't let it vanish overnight due to a hack, scam, or lawsuit. The peace of mind that comes from knowing your assets are secure is priceless. Protecting your assets is just as important as growing them. In the world of crypto, a secure vault isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for anyone serious about their financial future. Hackers today are organized, relentless, and always looking for a way in. Phishing emails, fake websites, and social media scams can drain your portfolio in seconds. But it's not just digital threats, legal disputes can put your crypto at risk too. If someone sues you and discovers your crypto holdings, they'll target them. Blockchain transparency means your assets aren't as hidden as you think. Without protection, years of investing can be wiped out by a single hacker lawsuit. The first line of defense is simple. Use strong, unique passwords for every single account you have, especially those connected to your crypto. Avoid reusing passwords and consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store complex passwords for you. This way, even if one account is compromised, your other accounts remain safe. Remember, your password is often the only thing standing between your assets and a hacker. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, everywhere you can, especially on your crypto exchanges and wallets. This extra layer of security means that even if someone gets your password, they still need a code from your phone or authentication app to get in. It's a simple step that blocks most common attacks and keeps your funds much safer. Be extremely skeptical of emails, texts, or messages that ask for your personal information or urge you to click on links. Phishing scams are everywhere, and they're getting more convincing. Always go directly to official websites by typing the URL yourself, and never trust links sent by strangers or even friends if something feels off. Never, under any circumstances, share your private keys or recovery phrases with anyone. These are the keys to your crypto kingdom. If someone gets them, they have full control over your assets. Store them offline, in a secure place, and never enter them into websites or apps you don't fully trust. Don't brag about your crypto gains online or share screenshots of your portfolio. Publicly revealing your holdings can make you a target for hackers, scammers, or even real-world criminals. Keep your financial details private to protect yourself and your assets. The less you reveal about your crypto activities, the safer you are. Practice good digital hygiene by keeping your devices updated, using antivirus software, and locking away sensitive information. Treat your crypto like you would any valuable possession, out of sight, out of mind. Treat your digital security with the same seriousness as you would a physical vault. Take time to review your security settings regularly, and don't hesitate to upgrade your protections as new threats emerge. Your vigilance is your best defense. Small habits, like double-checking website links, using secure networks, and keeping quiet about your holdings, can make a huge difference. Discretion is security. Always be mindful of your surroundings, both online and offline, and think before you share. Stay off the radar, blend in, and you'll avoid most threats. In the world of crypto, being cautious and discreet is the smartest way to protect your wealth and your peace of mind. Keeping crypto on an exchange is risky, Exchanges can be hacked or freeze your funds. Use a hardware wallet for true security. It stores your assets offline, safe from online attacks. When setting up, you'll get a seed phrase. Never store it digitally or share it with anyone. Write it down and keep it in a secure, fireproof location. If someone gets your seed phrase, they control your crypto. No exceptions. Protect it from theft, fire, and water. Your seed phrase is your only backup. Treat it like gold. Self-custody is the foundation of crypto security. Once your basic security is set, it's time to think about the next layer of protection. Legal structures that can safeguard your crypto assets and personal wealth. While strong passwords and two-factor authentication are essential, they only go so far. To truly shield yourself from unexpected threats, you need to consider how your assets are owned and protected under the law. One of the most effective tools is the Limited Liability Company, or LLC. By placing your crypto holdings inside an LLC, you create a legal separation between your personal finances and your investments. This means that if your business faces a lawsuit or legal claim, your personal assets, like your home or savings, are generally protected from being seized. If you're ever sued, assets owned by your LLC are much harder for creditors or claimants to access. This legal barrier can make a huge difference, especially in high-risk industries or volatile markets like crypto. For those with larger portfolios or more complex needs, an irrevocable trust can offer even greater protection. Trusts are legal entities that can hold your assets, and when set up correctly, they can shield your wealth from lawsuits, creditors, and even certain taxes. Once your assets are transferred into a trust, they're generally out of reach from future lawsuits or claims. This can provide peace of mind, knowing your wealth is protected for your family or chosen beneficiaries. But remember, these structures must be established before any legal trouble arises. You can't wait until you're already facing a lawsuit to set up an LLC or trust. By then, it's usually too late. Think of these legal tools as building a fortress around your wealth, a stronghold that keeps your assets safe from outside threats and unexpected events. Proactive planning is absolutely key. Don't wait for a crisis to start thinking about asset protection. The earlier you act, the more options you'll have and the stronger your defenses will be. It's wise to consult with a qualified professional, like an attorney or financial advisor, who can help you choose and set up the right structure for your unique situation and goals. For serious investors, taking these steps isn't just smart, it's essential for long-term security and peace of mind. Start by auditing your account security. Update passwords and enable 2FA everywhere. Order a hardware wallet directly from the manufacturer. Set it up and secure your seed phrase offline. Practice moving small amounts of crypto to get comfortable with self-custody. Learn about LLCs and trusts so you're ready to protect your assets as your portfolio grows. The goal isn't fear, it's confidence. By taking these steps, you build a fortress around your wealth. You become your own bank and security guard. That peace of mind is the ultimate return on investment.